buy Bitcoin at these levels, I urge you not to press that buy button. You can get much better returns if you wait just a couple of weeks. You can still buy Bitcoin at 35k, 36k, 37k, 38k, 39k. You can still buy it in the 30s, right? I believe that Bitcoin's going to have a 40% dump down to 30,000, and I think that's going to happen now. We are overdue for a pullback. This happens every 4 years. Around 40, we've had bigger in the past. This is smaller because we've gone up more, so it's always going to be smaller as we go up more. I believe that we're going to hit the 200 period moving average at 31,200, 31,500 roughly. And there is a lot of reasons why. Now, if we zoom in to the 2 daily, we can see our quicker momentum oscillator, the stochastic RSI, the bottom one in orange and blue, it's ticked bearish and it's confirmed. We can see that the money flow, it has been coming up. But is this a double top for the money flow right here? It could well be. The VWAP is cooling off. We've gone from purple to red. I call this the purple to red line because I can't remember the name of it. We've got the MACD. The MACD bars are in big green cluster, That means that we are bullish, but we won't necessarily see the warning signs on the 2 daily time frame until we have had some move to the downside. And there is on the market cipher B, the third indicator down here, we have got a plethora of bearish divergence after bearish divergence right there. And if we zoom into the daily, we can see stochastic RSI, we have been overbought for a long time. We are now bearish and pointing downward, which is good. We are cooling off on the MACD, showing them light green momentum bars instead of the dark green. That means we are just one phase away from the pink and then to the dark red. But bear in mind that these MACD waves, they are still pointing bullish because the blue line is still over the orange line, and so the momentum is still up. It doesn't, like a tug of war match, it doesn't take a lot to then go into dark green, but it will take quite a lot to go into dark red, right? We have the RSI beneath that, still bullish, but the purple line, the RSI line, is pointing sideways, and we do see that light green phase there. That means we have got some bearish divergence, which means we could come down. We have got the red dot on market cipher B. That means we could come down, and we also have the cross of the RSI, stochastic RSI, which is, another indication we're going down. On the money flow, we have been coming down over the past few weeks, and this could just be the lower high in the money flow, which is nice. And then if we go on to the 16 hourly, I don't want to get too zoomed in, but we have got a very nice MACD bearish cross here. We've got a cross of the RSI, but the RSI line is pointing sideways, so that could flip bullish. But we couple the MACD bearish cross with this bearish divergence on the 16 hourly, and you might have a very nice short on your hands if we hold below 52. Now on the 8 hourly, it did look like we were going to go bullish, because we've had these cluster of bearish MACD bars, and then we had the light pink, which means we could turn bullish. And now we need to wait 7 hours for this to confirm, but a dark red MACD bar, which is bearish. Also, the RSI line is pointing downward on the 8 hourly instead of sideways like the 16 hourly. We have still got this bearish divergence to play out too. There is a lot of things happening and a lot of reasons why I'm bearish. They are just some of the reasons why I'm bearish. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content.